In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Webull Desktop. Keeping the app current makes sure you've got the latest tools, fixes, and features, and it's a quick check either way. Let's dive right in. Open up Webull Desktop and click the Settings icon in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select About Webull. This brings up a window showing you the current version you're running. If there's a newer version available, you'll see a Check for Updates button right there in that same window. Click it, and if a new version is found, it'll prompt you to download and install it. Just follow the on-screen instructions from there, and the update will finish on its own. One fallback worth knowing: if for any reason the in-app check doesn't show anything new or seems stuck, you can always just head to Webull's own website directly and download the latest installer from there instead. Running that installer will simply update your existing version to the newest one. No need to uninstall anything first. And that covers it. Settings, then About Webull, then check for updates, or grab the latest installer straight from Webull's site if you'd rather go that route. Thanks for watching and happy trading.